Today, oh, she's cute. And yeah, you ruined it. Hey, look, it's moving. I don't know what kind of sauce that is, but I'm not gonna kiss you. Nope. You could kiss that goodbye. And just eat it when it's fried and dried. You're eating it when it's wet and sticky and still alive. Like, ma'am, stop. That could stick to your throat. And then what? Like, he doesn't want to, oh man. He's fighting back. He knows what you're doing. He doesn't want to be eaten like that. He don't want to be eaten, right? Look, he's fighting you. Those tentacles